welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get into this braided wig from Outre. It's like a feeding braid wig. This wig is super lightweight and my little soft glam ready to be on someone's beach look. I'm so ready for summer. I'm over winter. It is so cold here right now in New York and I'm just over it. I'm just ready to be in the sun, in the beach. So I felt like doing a bronzy, glowy, sun-kissed makeup look. So guys, if you like this, keep watching.
So this is the Outre 4x4 lace frontal pre-braided wig, 36 inches. Here's the construction. It also has a band so you could do the glueless method. The lace was really nice. The wig was very lightweight and it fits very snug. Normally I'm a 24 circumference head, so I'm a little bit on the larger side, so it fit very snug. But I'm going to use my even hair wig adhesive, make it get sticky, and then we're going to tack down this wig. Okay, this wig was very quick, very easy. I didn't have to do too much to this wig. This wig was very easy to apply. Now let's cut this lace. Just be careful with the baby hair so you don't overcut, because once you cut that baby hair off, that is it. You cannot pull out any baby hairs. So you want to be very careful while cutting, taking your time and making sure you get it right the first time, okay? Because I overcut a little bit of the baby hairs, a little bit. But hey, you make mistakes. Now it's baby hair time. It was very easy to cut and swoop. You're not going to get a lot of baby hairs, it's just only a little bit, so just keep that in mind and that's fine. Now I'm using my Morphe powder and defining that part. Now when you have this wig, make sure that your braid pattern, your braid down is very flat and fresh, because with me I had an old braid down, so it was a little bit lumpy. It would have laid flatter if I had a fresh braid down. So now I'm using Cream of Nature mousse and applying that just like how you would do with braids, just to give a little sheen. Lay it flat, and I'm also going to apply a little bit of sheen to give a little shine afterwards. Now it's makeup time. I'm using my fave, the Poreless Putty from e.l.f. as a starting point. We're going to do that all over the face and really massage it in very well. This product I've been loving lately. This is the Anastasia Brow Freeze Gel. I was using some other gel that I got from Amazon, but this really lays perfectly. I'm also using Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Filter Glam as like a luminizer or highlight before I apply my foundation. So I'm just putting that to my high points of my face and blending that out. It gives a nice glow underneath your makeup and it looks very nice. So now I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter foundation. That's a tongue twister. I'm using that in 14 neutral. Last video I was using 15, but I feel like it oxidizes a little red on my skin after a while, so I opted and got the 14N, which works better and it doesn't oxidize as red. Okay, so what I normally do, I use a brush first and then afterwards I go in with a beauty sponge and really blend it in into the skin and make sure everything is seamless, because we don't want any streaks, we don't want any lines, we want this to sit. Okay, so I'm using the go-to, the It Girl concealer, Too Faced, And then I'm going to use Kevyn Aucoin's concealer in shade 13 to give a lighter highlight. Also, I'm going to use Fenty Espresso contour stick to contour, blend that out. I'm going to let my concealer sit for a minute while I blend everything out. So now I'm using Anastasia's brow pen in shade Chocolate and just drawing light hair strokes throughout the brows. And then afterwards, I'm going to outline the brow with the DIPBROW in Chocolate as well. So I'm using the same concealer that I use under my eyes, and I'm just cleaning up the bottom of the brow. And for the top of the brow, I'm going to use my foundation and conceal the top. So now we're going to blend out the concealer. I'm using a small Morphe brush and just patting it in. And then afterwards I'm going to use a sponge and blend it even more so it's seamless. So now I'm setting with the Mercier translucent powder. I press it in and then I don't really bake at all. I just press it in, let it sit for less than a minute. I also use the powder on my brows to soften the brown look. I want it to look as natural as possible. So I normally just set my brows and then use a brow gel to kind of brush through the brows. So I'm using my Too Faced concealer in Mahogany just to even out my lids. My lids are naturally darker than the rest of my face, so I'm just blending it out and then setting it with the powder. So here you see me using Anastasia Brow Gel in Clear just to brush it through and soften that brown. Now we're going to get into bronzing. So I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in Dark all over, and also the Charlotte Tilbury powder in shade 4 to set everything. That powder, the Airbrush face filter or setting powder, that powder is everything. So we're going to go into eyes. I don't like too much on my eyes, so I'm going to use the NARS Taj Mahal blush, and I'm going to apply that on my lid. I wanted something soft, something orangey, so that's what I'm applying on my lid right now. Then I'm going to use Fenty Cognac Candy and place a little bit of that on top, just to give it a little more shimmer, a little more shine, but it's still going to be a soft look. I'm also using in the crease Mocha Mami, the bronzer from Fenty Beauty, just to warm up the crease of my eyes. And I'm also going to use an orange color as well, a blush color from GLAM, to warm that up. I'm also using the darkest brown from the Morphe palette, that 9T palette, just to darken and deepen the corner of the eye a little bit and give a smoky effect. So now I'm using a liquid liner pen in my eyes and also smoking out the bottom of my eyes with that pencil as well. I'm using the bronzer to kind of use the brown. We're going to do mascara. And then we're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray all over just to melt it in. So now I'm applying blush from the GLAM palette. I really love this palette. It's a nice orange color. And I'm applying that all over my cheeks and a little on the tip of my nose. I'm applying a little bit more bronzer just to bronze it up. And now I'm using cognac candy from Fenty Beauty and setting with Morphe luminizing setting spray. I also apply my lashes off camera. That's the lashes from my brand. It's called TEASE if you guys are interested. And I'm gonna line my lip with Morphe's liner dimmer. And I kind of overline a little bit, like underline, not overline the lip, because my lip is fuller. And then I'm gonna use a Shein lip stain and then the Fenty lip gloss on top to set everything together. And there you go. I'm ready to be on the beach, honey. Yes, yes. The braids were very lightweight. It was very natural. It was very easy to apply. This is my first time applying a braided wig, and I'm not mad at it. It was long. It was all the way down to the bum, okay? It was giving inches. It's braided all throughout, and I will be using this going out. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys go out and get it. It was very cute.
If you like this look, I have other get ready with me looks. All you have to do is click right here and you can see the next video. Don't wait, just keep clicking. Just watch my videos. Bye.